Good evening and welcome to the news. I'm Dinesh Rentle. Here are today's headlines. Government of Meghalaya announces several relaxations, but partial curfew continues to stem the spread of COVID-19. Education Department to meet on the 9th of May to decide on the course of action regarding examinations. Doordarshan to telecast educational videos from Monday to Saturday at 11 a.m. And the Eastern Air Command, Shillong, salutes healthcare fraternity, hygiene and sanitation staff, medical staff, police personnel and media personnel for their endless service. The news in detail. As of now, the total number of samples tested is 1,707, while 1,655 have come out negative and results of another 40 are awaited. The final report of the test samples of 11 COVID-19 positive patients is still awaited before the government is able to declare Meghalaya COVID-19 free as of now. The Meghalaya government has announced several relaxations from May 4th, including partially lifting the curfew. However, night curfew as prescribed by the Ministry of Home Affairs will be imposed from 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. Construction works in urban areas including Mill Lane Block and opening of hardware shops, electrical shops and quarrying activities will now be allowed to resume. Public and religious gatherings, however, will continue to remain prohibited to prevent further spread of COVID-19 in the state. Meghalaya Education Minister RYMBUI said that the department will meet this coming Friday to chalk out its plan and strategy, especially on the 4 remaining subjects of the higher secondary school leaving certificate examination, which is yet to be conducted. The Education Department had planned to conduct the examinations of the remaining 4 subjects from May 20th onwards. Talking to reporters, RYMBUI said that the government will need to rework its plan and take a decision on the 4 remaining subjects. On the reopening of schools, the Meghalaya Education Minister said that the centre has already issued a circular that all schools and institutes should remain closed till May 17th, adding that the government is ready with its action plan on the reopening.
Next week we will have a meeting with UNDERTAKE and the Education Department to see how to take this forward, and if at all we could not do anything, what is to be done regarding these 4 subjects. That we will come out in due course of time. The government of India already issued circular that opening of school, colleges or even the training institute should be closed at this juncture till the 7th of May. So we have to wait for that.
Meghalaya Education Minister RYMBUI has urged the student community to take advantage of the teaching imparted through the medium of Doordarshan. Talking to newsmen on this initiative of the state government yesterday, RYMBUI said that the government of Meghalaya has come up with this noble idea to impart education to students during the lockdown period by telecasting educational videos through the national channel. Pointing out that the government is not able to open schools in view of the prevailing situation, the Education Minister said that students can watch Doordarshan from Monday to Saturday at 11 a.m.
Online through Doordarshan have been started at 11 in the morning. So this process will go on. So I request each and every student to kindly take advantage of this initiative of the government for their own benefit. We know that we are living in a constrained situation where the starting of school at present is not possible before 15th of May. In many rural areas they maintain that they didn't have any Doordarshan connection, but through Dish TV and all the Doordarshan have been all these things. I hope that in a few days time the student will watch this teaching through the Doordarshan.
Standing with the rest of the country in solidarity to salute frontline workers, the Eastern Air Command Shillong today flew over Civil Hospital Negrams and Bethany Hospital. The helicopters showered flower petals on these hospitals. The Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K. Sangma, was also present to witness the event. Speaking to DD News Shillong, Defence PRO Wing Commander Ratnakar Singh said that these activities were conducted to express gratitude to all those who are in the service of saving lives while fighting COVID-19. This is just a small gesture from the IAF who are in service throughout the day.
I think you just said anyway, right? Yes. On behalf of all the citizens of our state, really I have no words to express the gratitude to all of you. These past few days I know has been very, very difficult for all of you, but still, you have not lost the faith and you continued with a complete dedication. So once again, really, I think all of you deserve a big hand. Let's give a big hand to all our medical staff who have worked day and night in this time of crisis. Thank you so much.
To express our gratitude towards the corona warriors, the doctors, the other sanitation staff, the civilians who are putting in their life at risk to save the people. This is only a small gesture for us to say thanks to all of them who are at our service throughout the day.
The Meghalaya government has decided to create 4 designated places for the entry and exit of people who are stranded outside the state. The 4 designated places include Ratachera in Jaintia Hills, Bernihat in RYMBUI district, Bajing Doba in North Garo Hills and Tikrikila in West Garo Hills. The Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong informed that a dedicated team from the Health Department will be stationed at all these 4 entry and exit points, adding that they will remain till the whole exercise is completed. The registration of those who want to exit and those who are stranded within the northeastern states will end on May 4th. Tinsong said that the people who are stranded outside northeastern states and also those who want to exit can register online at meghalayaonline.gov.in/COVID, adding that those who do not have access to the internet may call the phone numbers on your screen from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. on a daily basis. Exit will be permitted after screening at the exit gates as per protocol. The helpline number for entry and exit is 1070. The BSG Frontier Shillong Battalion provided basic essential items in villages at the Indo-Bangladesh border. An awareness program was also conducted by the BSF to spread awareness among the villagers about the importance of hygiene, wearing a mask and maintaining social distancing to fight COVID-19. The border populace at Jalyakola village is about 100 and hence there has been a need of essential food items. The BSF has distributed ration items, masks and fruits to them and efforts are on to put in to help the needy in the border villages. Amid the lockdown, accounts of beneficiaries were credited through Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana by the government. Accounts were credited through direct benefits transfer. The beneficiaries received 35 kilograms of PHH rice from Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana scheme. The beneficiaries said that the aids received has benefited the families a lot during this lockdown period as there has been no work or money.
Saya Prime Minister Medina Marula Lebha Palat karena konsum burung karena konsum karena ini kurlak bersila dek karena lah. Ayah cila cok sa cok bam kan tay berak karena konsum burung ya Prime Minister Marula Lebha Palat.
Here's a look at the weather report in Shillong. The maximum temperature was 21.4 degrees Celsius with the minimum temperature at 12.4 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 73%, rising to 84% in the evening with rainfall measured at 1.3 millimeters. The weather forecast shows us that Shillong and its adjoining areas will have generally cloudy skies. And for our viewers who missed out, here's a recap of today's headlines. Government of Meghalaya announces several relaxations, but partial curfew continues to stem the spread of COVID-19. Education Department to meet on the 9th of May to decide on the course of action regarding examinations. Doordarshan to telecast educational videos from Monday to Saturday at 11 a.m. And the Eastern Air Command Shillong salutes the healthcare fraternity, hygiene and sanitation staff, medical staff, police personnel and media personnel for their endless service. That's all the news we have for you today. Thank you for watching. We'll be back same time tomorrow. Have a great evening and stay safe.